I'm going to try to tie this float on here, a little piece of wire, because when I tried to test fit this earlier, it fell off, and it wasn't easy to get back out of there. Of course, this wire will probably rust and fall off of there, but now the gas tank's all back in. Last week I did put the doors on. I think I'm going to have to get new hinges for this side, or see if I can adjust them some more. Started cleaning up these window regulators and trying to grease them. They're moving a lot better than what they was. I've got to work on the door handle. The spring that pushes the button back out is broke, so I gotta see if I got another one, or have to find something. Well, just got to do some cleaning up on this door and the passenger door. Passenger door seems to be shutting okay. The button's not broke on it. This button pops back out. The driver's side doesn't do that. Still need to take this panel off, but it's over here against the steps, and I don't feel like moving it right now. That door shuts easy, but doesn't want to open back up. But I think that's just because the door seal. That's what I'm hoping. Hoping because the door seal's not in there. I got a few parts. I've got PVC valve. I've already got it stuck in there. I've got voltage regulator put on. I've got a starter relay. I've got some fuel line, fuel filter, and I've got some other small wiring things that I can do here. So I'm going to work on that. I'll put this voltage regulator on first. Alright, there's that. I'm going to remount this diagnostic connector. I made this little jumper. It's going to hook to my ground. And then I'm going to ground it right to here. And then I have a ground strap coming from the engine. It's all going to go right here together. Probably ought to clean that paint off a little bit. Alright, that's hooked up. Should be grounded good. I had a lot of issues with the one on the dump truck not being grounded good. Probably because everything it was grounded to was all rusted away. That new piece of fuel line hook up to my tank. I'm going to redo these wires. Looks like these originally just pushed down on these studs, but these wires are pretty much junk. But it looks like these are threaded, so I'll see if I can find some screws that'll thread on there, and we'll just put ring terminals on it. This wire here will be the ground for the gauge. Alright, well that should be working. This one here should be the vent that goes to the filler neck. Alright, so I found a piece of hose for hook up my PVC. Got the vacuum advance hooked up. Done some more wiring. I think that's about all I'm going to do for right now. Today anyhow. I'm getting real close to being able to crank this thing off the key switch, so hopefully here in a few days might be able to hear it run off the key switch.